Alright, hello everyone. My name's Kade. Back with another live trading vlog. On the 10-minute, we got this. Hold on. Okay, this is how the 10-minute looks like. I see two things here. We got this demand zone, high probability demand zone up here. And we also got this buy zone right here. So you can see price is bullish right now. Price just broke that structure, so now I'm a lot more confident for bulls. Let me bring this out. Okay, hold on, let me see. I like this idea right here, to be honest. It might lose, but I'm fucking with it because this is where the demand is. Should we just take it for the one time? Fuck it, let's take it for the one time. Let's go down to the 10-minute. I mean, 9 minutes. That's at the 9-minute. What am I talking about? So we got 795. 797, 75, 797, 75. Okay, here, but now we got this other joint right here. Hold on. I'm gonna put this down here just in case. Going for that buy. Let's check trading. Let's check news. We got, we had news at 8:15. 8:15. So that's all of this stuff right here. So yeah, I'll let you know. Okay, so yeah, so I placed this order down here. Price looks like it's getting close to it. The 10-minute, it's like the top of a demand zone. So I'm just looking at it to give us a potential jump. But if it doesn't hit, then I'm gonna go again. And I like this entry, or this 10-minute zone right here. Hair ski, drop down to the 2, and I'm gonna just do this. 15. Okay, it's 15, so I'm gonna just put it to the zone right here so that we can get it properly acquainted, and then have that. So if this one loses, if this one checks, then it's okay. I'm gonna take this other one, and yeah. And why am I more confident about buys? It's because look at price right here. We just took out these highs with this move right here, so I'm more interested in bullish.
Order filled.
Okay, so we're just in this trade. Got in this trade. I'm gonna put in, so this is 1-to-1. This is what 1-to-1 looks like for that trade. For this trade, this is what 1-to-1 looks like. Clone that hoe. And then we're just gonna pull it up like that. Okay, drop down to the 2. It's a little bit confusing with this one, but it's okay. And yeah, I'll let you know. Okay, so price just hit break even. Price just hit 1-to-1. So we're moving our stop loss to break even. And now this is a risk-free trade. For real. Now I'm happy. Now I'm content. Whatever happens now, if this wicks me out, doesn't hit TP, I'm Gucci, man. I'm only gonna lose like $8 at the end of this, rather than, I don't even know. I don't even know. This is a risk-free trade right here, bro. And if you were a supply and demand or support and resistance, breaking of a candle kind of person, this is a really good setup for you. Take that candle right there, because price tapped into the zone and just retraced off of it nicely. But yeah, it's hard to, I wish I could take off the P&L, because it really does mess with your head. It really can mess with your head. But yeah, this is a break-even trade, and I'll let you know if it hits TP or I just get stopped out at break-even. All right. Okay, so price just hit TP. I was not, I wasn't even looking, bro. I'm gonna keep it a buck. I was not even looking. that was a good ass trade. I mean, what happened, bro, is I seen, let me just get rid of these red lines. I seen price. First of all, I looked on the chart and I seen price coming up, picking up with volume. And you know how, like, not yesterday. Was it yes? It was Monday. We price action looked similar to this, and we went for a sell in this area, and we got stopped out, and price blasted up. So when I saw this, how it looked like, I was like, this looks very bullish. And then what kind of cemented it as well is the fact that price just broke this had this break of structure right here. And yeah, it just looked clean. And on the 10-minute, I seen this high probability demand zone. And something about me is originally I would have marked this whole thing. I'm gonna take this out. I would have marked this whole thing as this. But that's a huge ass stop loss. So what I was doing, what I initially did, what I've back tested in a way is just take it from this area right here. Like, right. And then, so if we drop down to the 2, first of all, we had a gap right here. So something that I used to do when I was trading, like the way how I used to trade, I would take I sound African. I would take this and I would try to go for the buy, but then I'd get stopped out because price will come down here. So if you look at the 10-minute, this is like the beginning of the demand zone, and so I just marked up the first part of it, the first top of it, and put my stop loss one tick below, and put my entry one tick above. Cause I mean, if I did put it on there, it would have been cool. But yeah, I just wanted it to be like that. Yeah, this was a really nice trade to start off the day. It currently went up as high as almost like a 1 to 3, which is so crazy. But yeah, this was a really good setup. I'm proud of myself. And yeah, as far as news went, I don't know if I showed y'all. There was 8:15 high impact news. Let's see what happened at 8:15. 8:15. Let me drop down to the 2. 8:15. Well, we got 8:16. So around here, I can see a little liquidity grab right here. That's a nice trade right there, though. Like a little. I'm getting distracted, but that's a nice trade right here. Ooh. Take this little one tick above. That's a nice trade. That's a nice tradey trade. Anyway. Oh, shit. Okay, anyway. So this was our trade. I love it. Honestly, I'm like pretty sure I'm done for the day. Like, I'm pretty sure. Okay, price just hit a 1 to 3 on that same trade. Damn, these are the trades that you probably wish you held. Yeah, let me show y'all. Price just hit a 1 to 3. Oh, and it's going higher. Oh my god. Hold on. Let's look at the higher time frame. Let me see where it could potentially be headed. Beheaded. Who's gonna be beheaded? Let's check the 40. I mean, this could go all the way up to here. To be honest, it could probably go here. I'm just looking at possible zones because we overall are still bearish, but we have some. This is on the 40-minute. Price did just break that high, so it seems like price probably wants to come up to potentially fill in this gap right here. Like, we got a gap right there in this little area. Let me take off that. We got a gap right there in that area, so probably price potentially wants to go up to that area, and then we also coincidentally have a supply zone right there. Oh my god. But yeah, now of course I haven't checked my P&L yet, but of course, you know, it's like cool to win, and you know, you want to just trade again, but I'm pretty sure I'm done for the day, because I don't want to give back profits that I already got. I mean, it's literally 8:42. I just started my day. I literally got to the charts at 8:28, and it's not even 9 o'clock yet, bro. So hold on. Let me just think. As far as a trade, I'm really like, this is the 10-minute. As far as a trade idea, I don't know. I prefer to base my zones off of 10-minute zone, like levels. While like 2-minute very much still works, I love the 2-minute chart. And maybe in the future we can implement like a 2-minute 1-to-1 strategy, like something like that. But right now, I really just want to give me like the highest possible thing to get me, you know, the highest confluence, right? Like I really want to work on that and just kind of dive in and use all of my knowledge that I have and stop trying to be like so strict, because that's not who I am. Like I want to trade how I used to trade, in a way with like incorporating fair value gaps, incorporating supply and demand, support and resistance. Like I want to be able to use all of those things to my benefit rather than me just using one strategy at a time. Because this entire time I've been supporting resistance, which I love, but sometimes support and resistance is not there. Sometimes there's the S&D, just like today. What am I gonna just do? Ignore something that I have learned since the beginning of my trading career? Because I don't like that. Like I like being able to do a lot of things. I like being multifaceted. So yeah. Let's go check the stats, and I'm pretty sure I'm done for the day. That's a good trade. Let me see. So we're up this much on the account, or for today, P&L wise. Let's check the J. So yeah, so we had a gross P&L of 165, and they took $11 of commissions, and we ended the day P&L of this. Our Johnski is now 5308, and yeah, it's not even 9 o'clock yet. Shawty is done. I'm done for the day. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you on the next one. All right, bye.